In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the black screen of death on a Samsung mobile. Now I have here the Samsung S3. You can do this on all the Samsung mobiles except for the S6, as the S6 unfortunately you cannot take the back off to change the battery. Now as you can see, you cannot do anything with the screen. It's completely black no matter what you try, and that's what we need to fix. So in a few simple steps, we remove the back of your S3, remove the battery, then if you've got an SD card, remove the SD card and also your SIM card. It's a little bit tricky, but there you go. Now once you've got to this stage, you're going to need to press the power button and hold it in for 1 minute. The reason for this is the phone still has some residual electricity in it. So by pressing the power button for 1 minute, that will remove any residual energy that is left in the phone. Once you've done that, you can replace the battery. Press the power button, and if the phone lights up as it is doing now, you know you've repaired the problem. If the problem still persists, repeat this exercise, but this time hold the button on the side for 2 minutes. Once you've done that, again replace the battery, press the power button, and if the phone starts up, you've repaired your problem. I hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching.